Hello everyone, this is Wasim and today I came up with new Rust MCQ question. So you can go through it and try to guess the correct answer. So now let's discuss the answer. The answer will be D, a compile time error. So let's run. So if you see, it is a compile time error. The error is because here we are multiplying float with an integer. So Rust doesn't allow implicit conversion. So we have to explicitly say that uh, 2 is a float. So I'll make it F64. And if we run it, the issue will be fixed. So I'm done with today. See you in the next video.